Hi everyone, my name is Shana from WTI, and if you're looking for a really good deep conditioner, this one's definitely for you. So this is the Original Root Stimulator Deep Conditioner, and it helps to strengthen and nourish and replenish your hair. And I really love that it has olive oil and sweet orange oil, which makes it smell amazing, by the way. And the two of them together help to hydrate your hair. And I noticed that when my hair starts to look a little dry and damaged, I immediately take one of these out and do a thorough hair care routine. And afterwards, my hair always feels amazing and it's ready to go. So this deep conditioner really has saved my hair. It gave it the strength and the nourishment that it needed. And I love that these come in these packages, so you're definitely able to throw it in a travel bag, and wherever you are in the world, you can continue your hair care routine and continue to have your beautiful, soft, and flowing hair. And that's my point of view.